Naturally fast remedies for lower back pain. Lower back pain is a frequent phenomenon. When the back starts to hurt, it seems that the cause is radiculitis, but everything is not so simple. Pain has many causes, some of which are not even related to pathologies or diseases of the spinal column. Pain in the lower back can appear due to stress, nervous or digestive system problems, bladder problems, diseases of the genitals, problems with blood vessels, sedentary lifestyle, overweight. Diseases of the spinal muscles can also lead to lower back pain. Treatment with home remedies, decoctions, and ointments based on plants and herbs. Exercises. A massage course at home are really beneficial for your back. We offer you to try these fast home remedies for lower back pain. Welcome to Natural Health Plus. Before going forward, we request you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos. So let's start. Number 1. Ginger. Blend ginger and apply to the affected area. Number 12. Basil. Boil basil leaves in water and drink it several times a day. Number 3. Garlic. Eat garlic every day. Number 4. Poppy seeds. Grind seeds with rock sugar and eat this mixture twice a day. Number 5. Oil massage. Regular massages improve blood circulation and relax muscles, reduce pain. Number 6. Wheat. Boil soaked wheat with milk and coriander for several minutes. Drink it twice a day. Number 7. Cold compresses. When pain occurs, apply the ice pack to the lower back for 20 minutes for the first 2 days. Number 8. Epsom salt. Mix it with water and apply to the necessary area for 20 minutes. Number 9. Chamomile tea. Drink chamomile tea with honey for about 2 weeks. Number 10. Milk. Drink milk 2-3 times a day, and you will feel better. Walking is an activity with a small load, which does not overstrain the back. If before you did not do physical exercises at all, then start with a training walk to go to an active lifestyle. Activity has a positive effect on general health and also relieves back pain, depending on the overall level of preparation. Start with short walks of 10 or 15 minutes. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, and please share this with your friends and family. And let us know what you think in the comments section below. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Before leaving us, kindly check out our these cool videos. Goodbye.